Alright, I had enough time after my alternators review to make one more video. This is energon rodimus. I know there's a thing about hot rod rodimus, how half the world hates him, half the world likes him. I like hot rod rodimus. I actually like him. I'm going to talk more about that when I do classics hot rod. But here's energon rodimus. Now this makes a better rodimus prime design because, you know, he's a truck, but he still got like flames and stuff to make him, you know, like hot rod. So it's a lot better than the old rodimus prime where it was the car with pulling a trailer. But he's kind of like a tow truck, like he's it's like a tow truck, but he got these boosters, you know, here. So he'd be a fast tow truck. Got 6 wheels. Here they all roll. Flames, the painted windows, little smokestacks. A pretty cool truck motor. Rolls. Yeah, I like his truck mode. Not really much else to say, so I'm just gonna transform it. Okay, not too hard. So that. Break those legs. Get this off. Pull this out. Fold the hand out. Fold the hand out. Go ahead. There's Rodimus. Now, I really like his robot mode. It's just, this guy is just one of my favorites. He just has a really good robot mode. With the flames, and I just really like it. And you know, posability. His head can kind of turn side to side. It's on a ball joint, but it just can't. He can like look up, you know, down, sideways a little bit, but he can't go. He can't turn all the way around because it's on this piece here. Arms, you know, you turn all the way around. You know, smooth. Hands, you know. Yeah, some good posability. Bend the knee. But then he got some posability. It looks like he has a lot of weapons because, I mean, he has this big old energon cannon here. But he has like these wheels. Looks like these might be like little guns in the wheels. And he has this down here, which kind of, it's a smokestack, but it looks like it'd be a gun. Then he got a little thing here, kind of looks like it might be a gun. And you turn him around. Yeah, not much behind him. Front, really good robot mode. You know, the missile shoots. Man, I'm actually going this really fast. Only 3 minutes. Usually I'm up to 7 minutes by now. It's like a transformation so easy. But I really like this guy. He's one of my favorites from Energon. Well, my favorite, because I don't really have much from Energon. I don't really have too many, but this guy's one of my favorites. Yeah, other than Omega Supreme, which was really one of my favorites from Energon. But this guy is like my favorite. He can combine with Energon Prowl. I'll show you quick. I'm going to combine them because I have a lot of extra time right now. Just gonna hurry and put him in his mode. Oops. And to save time, I already got Prowl in this mode. And you just sit on top. Now, yeah. scanning right. Alright. Yeah, most people when they review them, they don't want to combine them. They say it looks too weird. But, you know, the instructions had to do it like this, but I like to do it like this. Take this. I like to fold this up here. Looks a little better. Weapons. Gun. Prowl's gun. He lost the missile. And there. That on the side. So you can really see it. I like it, because I like it a lot better since I got, you know, this here. Got a little energon star on it. See, now these are up here, so you can mean like weapons here. The guns here. And then when I do a review for Prowl, then I'll show Prowl, you know, being the head and Rodimus being the legs. But I like it better when Rodimus is the head and Prowl's the legs. Yeah, let's see what I say about this mode. I like it. I'm just gonna grab an energon weapon. Go grab a. Here's an energon weapon. Just. Now let me put the camera back on the stand. Okay. Now, let's go. There he is with his axe. I like to give him the axe. But yeah, this mode, you know, it looks pretty cool though. I like it. You know, bend the knee. Okay. No. Yeah. All right. These ones. Smooth. Kind of goes out a little bit. It's out a little bit. Yep. But yeah. I can open up. So you know, the Rodimus itself, you know, just the Rodimus. The Rodimus gets. What should I give him? I give him like probably an, you know, I'm just gonna give him a 9. I really like Rodimus. I was gonna give him like an 8.5, but I'm gonna give him a 9. I really like the Rodimus toy. The combined mode, it looks cool. It's just that, you know, it's just that you got this big upper body here, but then you got these little legs down here. But you know, because I have no other Autobots, you know, that, you know, that would power link to him. So I don't have any other ones to try. But still, I give Rodimus a 9 out of 10. I really do like him.